Lynn Tenoria account. You see my you see my description. You see, I can already put my FB account there. So just be friends in my FB account. So how about you, Mr. Fred? What is your FB account? FB same name mine. Okay. Don't po. Okay. I can contact you, Mr. Fred Jancoti. Thank you so much. Okay. How about you, Ma'am Anita Home Kitchen? What is your FB? Your FB is also same of your name. Your is Jenny Lynn Oguwan. So Jenny Lynn Oguwan. I have no extra phone, so I can just watching. Guys, I have a new upload. Mr. Fred and Mom 369 Vlogs. I have a new upload. Can you please leave the comment to my new upload? Can you please leave the comment also about the video, about the related video you're watching? You can leave the comment, the beautiful comment like me, okay? Yours is difficult, lol. Why? Why I am so very difficult? No, I am not difficult to find. Just message me, okay? Jenny Lynn. Jenny Lynn Ogo1. Ogo1. Maybe I can contact you if your name here and the YouTube is same and the Facebook. So don't worry, I can contact you. I can private message you, Mr. Fred. Okay, support bro, guys. Please, Mr. Fred, support 369 Vlog. Okay, just support 369 Vlog. Okay, please support Siloka 369 Vlog. Anita Home Kitchen, are you there? Mom 369, are you in the Canada? What is your country? Where you came from? 369 Vlog. See support, yes. You can leave the comment to my new upload. Sis She Haloka, please leave the comment to my new upload. And I'll be returned if I see your comment there. I'll be returned. That's the surely that I promise that I'll be returned. Okay? Please support sis. Yes, of course. Yes, of course. I'll be supporting you, Mom369. Just leave the comment. Just leave the comment to my new upload. I have a latest video, guys. I have a latest video, so just leave the comment to my latest video. Okay? Guys, please support my latest video. Yes, of course, I support you, Mom369 Vlog. Okay, this is my vlog. Just what I said, just leave the comment to my new upload and I'll be returning. Okay, I'll be return. If I see your comment there, I'll be return. That's my promise. Okay. Welcome. I have a new upload, guys. A beautiful Sunday. So shout out. Let me support you, Shehaloka. Please return me after 2 days, okay? Shehaloka is, Shehaloka, please return to Fred. Support to Fred. Just leave the comment to the video of Fred. Fred, okay, bro. Please leave the comment to my new upload. Okay, Fred. Just leave the comment to my new upload, Fred. Please. I have a new upload. Just watching at least 3 minutes, and you can leave the beautiful comments related related to the video that you are watching.